In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sticky notes activity in Edvento. First, go to your teacher dashboard. Click the Create New Activity button. This will take you to the Activities page. Scroll to the Live Activities section. Find the Sticky Notes activity. Move your mouse over the activity card. The card will flip. Click the Create Game button. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for your activity. For example, type Sticky Notes. Then, click Create Activity. The Activity Creation page will open. From the navigation bar, click the Theme button. Choose a background image for your activity. Once you have selected your background, it is time to add your content. In the question title field, type, "Share one thing from today's lesson." In the description field, type, "In one sentence, tell us what stood out to you and why it matters." When everything is ready, scroll back to the top of the page. Click the Save button. Your Sticky Notes activity is now ready.